Hi, and welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this end makeup look is inspired by Elphaba, the Wicked Witch of the West from Wicked. And this is actually take two because I did this look last year? Yeah, last year. And it was fun, but it was not... let's just rephrase it. It was not this scale. I literally had like this type of neon green on, a mauve, a black, and then a slightly shimmery green. And I was like, you know what? No, that's not Elphaba. And this is also just like, I'm loving this. This is like one of my go-tos is a green eye. I love this. Plus, it's my birthday today. Well, not when you're seeing this, whenever I am filming this. It is my birthday, so you're going to see this on Instagram. I'm going to be going out. I'm going to be having fun with my friends, except I'm going to change up the lip, because this is just so much fun. But yeah, so just a little bit about Elphaba. She's the Wicked Witch of the West in Wicked the musical, which is honestly one of my favorite musicals. It was the first musical I ever saw, so it just means so much to me. And I've just grown up loving this musical, so I just had to pay. I'm like, you know what? I did a Wizard and I cover. I need to redo some of the other covers because the audio was not good, just being 100% honest. And I would have filmed with this look, but I'm like, you know what? I could just post a picture of this look and be like, see, there's Elphaba, there she is, bye. But yeah, honestly, Wicked is one of my favorite musicals, and I just had to pay respect to Elphaba, especially on my birthday. Because, like, if I go out, I want a green. I want green on my eyes because it just makes my eyes pop. But yeah, so I'm going to stop rambling, let you get into this video, and yeah. Okay, so let's get started. So I already took care of my primer and set my base using Titan from the Alien palette, and today we're using the Alien palette. I mean, it's perfect for her. And we are going to do a lot of greens today just because Elphaba, you want green. So I'm going to take Abduction and place that high into the crease. Okay, now we're going to take Flying Saucer and place that just below the crease. By the way, you might notice some weird cuts in this. I am trying to also do one of those Instagram videos. I've never tried that before, so if you see some weird cuts, just ignore it. Just know I'm trying to do something fun. Now I'm going to dip into X-Files. Or should I go with Ghost OG? We're going to go with Ghost OG just to deepen this more. Okay, so now we're going to take Black Coal and place that on the outer third. And very slightly into the crease. I'm loving this. Obviously, you know I like this color gradient every time I use the Alien palette. I tend to go for this type of base and then change up whatever I have on the inner corner, like on the rest of the lid, and then lips and everything else. So you're kind of used to this. I'm used to this, but I love it because it just makes my eyes pop. Now I'm going to go and use my usual trick of... Are you the one I use? No. Yeah, I cleaned all my brushes, so I didn't recognize that this was my, like, cutting brush. So, also it's funny to go back and realize, oh wait, this isn't red, it's teal. It's so funny because I'm so bad. I'm really bad at cleaning my brushes, and I'm like, wait, no, okay, there is, like, one that's actually stained. I'm like, I did, like, 2-3 rounds with this one, but it's just stained. And then don't get me talking about my face brushes. Those are fun. Anyway, I'm gonna do my usual trick of just cutting the crease, kinda reshaping the eye using my Wet n Wild, this is like the cat suit in Camelback. Oh, and whenever I come back, I think I'll be using the Ciante Twisted Metals, Marble Metals in Twisted. That or the ColourPop Jelly Shadow in Not Today from the Villains collection. That or I might use this in the inner corner. Or under, yeah, that might be fun in the inner corner. Okay, anyway, we're gonna figure it out. Let's just go. Okay, now I'm gonna go take care of this eye off camera. Okay, and we're back, and that took a lot longer than anticipated. Honestly, 2-3 phone calls, everything. By the way, I'm filming this on my birthday, so that's why there's a lot of stuff going on. So yeah. But I'm loving how this is looking. Highlight is a combo of Jeffree Star, Money Honey, you know I had to use it when I do green, as well as Pop Lux Nightlife, because I'm going to be going out, so get some that glows in the dark. Anyways, let's go back to the eyes. We're going to be going to the under eyes this time. Okay, so for the under eyes, we're going to be doing my usual thing. I'm taking the same colors I used up top and using them down below. Okay, now for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to be taking Nightlife. Just because I do want to use that Disney Villains thing, but at the same time, I'm like, Nightlife is just like the perfect color for this, so let's go with that. And real quickly, I'm going to line my lips in this suede matte lip liner from NYX, and this is in the shade Shake That Money. Okay, so now we're going to take Dirty Money from Jeffree Star and apply that to the lips. Going to let that dry real quickly, then we're going to apply another color in. Now we're going to go in with, this is Venus Flytrap, yeah. Apply that to the center of the lips. Now we're going to take just safe word. We're obviously going very green today. Okay, now we're going to set my face, let down my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the final look, and I love how this turned out. By the way, I forgot to mention it, but I did run some black in my waterline. And yeah, here we are with the final look. Honestly, I love how this looks, and I cannot wait to go out and have some fun in this. By the way, I know this is filming on my birthday, so you're not going to see this for like a week maybe. Especially because this is part of a collab anyway. I did forget to mention this is part of the Coven Cosmetics Witch collab, which is starting to post technically yesterday. So go check out all the artists involved because everyone is so talented. I'm so proud to be part of this. Ooh, I love these lips. Anyway, I'm gonna go run because I had to go change and get everything ready. Yeah, I hope you have a good rest of your night or day wherever you are, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.